ready to go, cause now the countdown has started and he's ready to blow. He's got the dope sounds bumping and his stereo. Getting fast, putting on a show. Don't wanna get yourself together, there's no time to rest. And if you put the time in, he'll put you to the test. He's like a running man, in his world war is less. And if you wanna test him best, bring your best. Don't make me spell it out, bring your best.
In this world where life is strong, in this world life's an open book. In this world where compromise does not exist. In his world of rules, every step meets the rest. In this world where one is all. In this world never fear the fall. In this world where compromise does not exist. His world of wounds, every step meets the rest.
Running it back again, well, what'd you expect? Coming out to win 10 out of 10. Got a real rough pass. Minds up his memory and straps on his shoes. Cause he's the best there ever was, haven't you heard the news? In the galactic continental champ, running things. Hyperactive, instrumental in pulling strings. He's the one who understands when the tides will swing. So he's breaking down doors, never far away. Come on and psych yourself up, cause it's time to play. Bounce to the beats and the rhymes, cause they're here to stay. The one and only marathon man, living the day. Moving up, coming fast, and they'll blow you away. Because the pressures of this world, they can take their toll. And it's tough to get away when they take a hold. The only way to break free is to break the mold. You can't stop now, rock and load. Don't stop now, come on, rock and roll.
In this world
Gotta make your own
where
way.
life is strong. In this world
Life is just a game you play.
life's an open book. In this world where compromise does not exist. His world of wounds, every step meets the rest. In this world
Gotta make your own
where
way.
one is all. In this world
Life is just a game you play.
never fear the fall. In this world
here to
where
stay.
compromise does not exist. His world of wounds, every step meets the rest.
Like the fuse on his rocket and he's ready to go. Cause now the countdown has started and he's ready to blow. Intergalactic continental champ, running things. Hyperactive, instrumental in pulling strings.